Hey guys, Edward Freytag here with some more tutorial video clips for the Tennessee 2020-21 All-State Jazz Auditions. I'm going to have a guest with me here tonight, Mr. William Ellis, who's going to be playing some of these down for you. He's my clinic partner. We do a lot of workshops and sessions together, so I think you'll really enjoy his playing. Tonight we're going to focus on the material that is required for those auditioning on Drumset. In that Drumset audition, you're required to exhibit 3 styles. Those styles being funk or funk rock, and samba, and swing. There's also 2 prepared etudes for you. One that's in a medium swing style, and then the second one is a fast swing that also has a samba section in the middle of it. So I'm going to turn you over to William and let him demonstrate one of the styles for us. That first style we're going to do is the funk style at about tempo marking 100 in a David Garibaldi style. Wow, that was quite a groove. So, William's going to do another example of funk for you at about metronome mark 120 in the style of Clyde Stubblefield, the drummer for James Brown. You should really enjoy this one. So I'll turn this one over to William right now. Our next style we're going to cover is Samba, a Brazilian style. Samba is usually pretty up-tempo, so we're going to be doing this one. I think you're requested to do it in your audition at half note equals 120. We like to play it around 126, usually in our clinics, so that'll probably be where William puts this one, but it's going to feel great. And we're going to cover several different approaches to Samba in this little demonstration so that you will know that there's not only one approach to that particular style, just to give you some options. Cool? All right, here's Samba. So our final style that we're going to cover for you guys is swing. And I believe the request for your audition is an up-tempo swing. So William's going to play first on hi-hat, then he'll take it to the ride cymbal. And at the beginning, he's going to play a true triplet-based swing. And then as he finishes it out, he's going to kind of go to a little bit of a straight ride pattern and sound a little bit like Tony Williams. He's also kind of thinking to himself a 12-bar blues form while he's doing this. You don't have to do that, but it certainly helps to kind of have a musical idea in mind. So here's swing. So the first etude we're going to look at for the drum set players is a medium swing called Carry a Big Stick, arranged by Jamey Simmons. This one kind of exhibits the ability of the drummer to sort of drive the band at a medium swing tempo. We're going to offer you two versions of this. William's going to play it at about a medium swing, and then he's going to do it the second time, and he's going to play it at about medium up, which will be just a little bit faster. That way you can kind of get two looks at it. Again, there's no metronome marking on these particular etudes, so you've got some choices there to make. So you do what's the most comfortable for you. This is Carry a Big Stick. The final etude for the drum set audition is titled Fleet Feet, again arranged by Jamey Simmons. This one is marked as a fast swing. And on this one, we've decided to play it pretty fast. Fast enough to where the swing ride pattern is not triplets anymore, but it's straightened out like straight eighth notes. You might have to play a chart that fast in the All-State Big Band, not sure. But again, you don't have to play the audition material this fast. That choice is totally yours. But we decided to present you a pretty fast version of it so you can see what to do with the piece if you do choose to play it pretty fast. Fleet Feet. Hope all of you guys auditioning for the drum set spot have an incredible day. Hope you guys play your absolute best. If you have any questions about any of the material tonight and you would like to contact me, feel free to do so at www.bodproductions.org. Also, if you have any questions about the auxiliary jazz percussion tutorials that I put up a while back, you can contact me at the same place. Love to hear from you. Love to offer you any advice I can to help you along your way to your audition. I'd like to briefly mention the great endorser companies that sponsor us both and help us along the way doing what we do. For me, RowLoff Productions, KHS America, Mapex Drums, Majestic Percussion, Remo Heads, Berg Cases and Bags, and Monkdrums. For William, Yamaha Drums, and Evans Drum Heads. For both of us, Innovative Percussion Sticks and Mallets, and Sabian Cymbals. Check all those companies out if you get a chance. Guys, wish you the best. Hope this has been very helpful for you. Good luck. Take care.